Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make a pinwheel. The materials required are a square sheet of origami paper, scissor, straw, earbud and some glue. Start by folding the paper diagonally and press it to form a crease and unfold it. Now fold it once more in the opposite direction to form a triangle and press it to form a crease and unfold it. Now cut along the crease. Cut along all the creases in the similar manner. Then apply glue in the center. Take one corner from each of the triangle and stick it to the center. Make a hole in the center, take a earbud and fix it in the center. Take a straw, make a hole in the straw and fix the earbud to the straw. Now the pinwheel is ready.